I am Dr. Jafri. I am general surgeon and laparoscopic surgeon. Ours is a multi-speciality hospital. Here we give surgical, medical, pediatric, maternity and orthopedic services. This is a 3-storied building and independent setup. See, this is a 30 years old building, and it was so constructed that there was no provision for a lift, proper lift. We tried to incorporate a proper lift in this building, but it was not possible. So then I thought of some other alternative thing, and I found out on the net that there is a concept like stair lift, and I searched it, and I found that the best one is elite elevators, and I went for it. My experience with the stair lift so far is very good. We have shifted from ground floor to first floor pregnant patients with babies, orthopedic patients who cannot walk, and elderly patients who find it difficult to climb the stairs. So it has been a great experience, and it has never stopped in between anywhere till this time, and I hope it will continue to do so in the future also. This product is very high tech. I have seen other stair lifts also, but this is unique, and the technology used is advanced technology, very safe and very convenient for the patients. There are no jerks during the travel, and patient is comfortable. There is no panic reactions even in elderly patients. So I think this is best product I have chosen. Installation of this stair lift is so simple, and it gets completed within 3 to 4 hours. It is excellent experience. Best part is that the efficiency of the product and the technology they have used and the service they are providing, and overall experience with the patients. The patients who have used them have found it very comfortable. So far it has been a very good experience. Before stair lift was installed, there was a lot of difficulties for orthopedic patients, elderly patients and pregnant patients to climb the stairs. Now it has become, their life has become easier with the installation of this lift. We have consulting rooms on the first floor also, so patient has to walk to climb the stairs. It has become easier for them. Those who cannot climb, they use stair lift. I'm sure it is so protective and so simple to operate. It is a good product. For a hospital like us, I will say excellent.